I'm sure you guys are gonna like. So the question is, what is the difference between speed and velocity? That is an interesting and excellent question, because I too at some point thought they were the same thing. Now, as per usual, I'm gonna tell you what the difference is in words, and then I will explain it with an easy example. So basically, the difference between them is that velocity has a direction while speed does not. In physics, we call speed a scalar quantity, while velocity is a vector. Now that means that if we take this expression, 30 kilometers per hour, just like that, now this is speed, because it says distance over time. So this is by definition speed. As simple as that. But for velocity, now this expression would look something like 30 kilometers per hour in the north direction, or due north. Now let's take a look at a very simple example. If you took your bicycle and you want to go to the park, if you're riding your bicycle at 5 kilometers per hour until you reach the park, then your speed is 5 kilometers per hour. Is the distance that you have covered in the time it took you to cover it. But for velocity, like I said, it has to do with the direction. So for example, if you start from point A and you go with that speed in a circle and then you come back to point A again, the exact same point, then we say your speed here is 5 kilometers per hour, but your velocity here is 0. And the reason it is 0 is because there is no directional gain. You started in the same point and then you came back at the same point again. Even if you were to walk 4 meters this way, 2 meters this way, 4 meters this way, and then 2 meters up here, then your velocity or average velocity is 0 kilometers per hour. The difference between the two is like the difference between distance and displacement basically. If you're not sure about that one, comment below and I will make a very quick video like this